In a treat that can't be beat. Mark, never knew the agony of defeat. Rap it, Mark. Oh, rap.
Freestyle.
You rap because there's no having time. You know, we don't have a drum machine, right? I want you to clap your hands. Check, 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 check. Come on. I said, clap your hands. Ready?
Yeah, from the beginning.
From the beginning. Well, just we don't want to bore you. Okay? That's a song?
I think this is
Well, play it, Darren. Play it.
the 1 minute version. Cause I'm begging, I'm breaking my and I don't know. Don't even send me those dance when my soul we do. When we kissing, what about him? What a basement, what we got is trapped in a prison. With a fear for the need to replace me, but I keep working on you.
Hey, the lady will dance with the bike. Give the bike. Give the dance.
I don't wanna live in a broken home.
The first girl will dance will give the bike.
I'm begging, begging you. So put your loving hands on paper. I'm begging, begging you. So put your loving hands on dollar. I'm begging, begging you. So put your loving hands on.
You still have one more song, dance music. Mark, do you have dance music? Okay, wait a minute. Before, stop it, please. We'll have a competition, okay? The first lady who will dance there wins a prize when he will perform. Clear? Clear? Can we exchange microphone? I think it's better. Okay, fast song so they can dance. Mark, ha?
Ang may ay ng damdamin ng kamahal ko.
Who will dance?
Sabi nila,
Come on!
durag ang iyong mag-alala at ayos na ako.
Mark, sa'yo, Mark!
Sabi nga ng iba,
Sige na!
ang talagang mahal mo siya ay hahayaan
Huwag na mahiya.
hayaan mo na mamaala.
Sayang na! May prize!
Hayaan mo na lumisan. Ingatan mo siya. Pinalimutan niya ako dahil sa'yo. Nawalan na ng sasayang pagmamahal na kahit tagal ko rin binubuo. At kahit tagal ko rin sumuko. Pinalimutan niya ako dahil sa'yo. Ito na ang tuling awit na kanyang marunong. Ito na ang ulitin mo na dati siyang tinutulog. Ito na ang unang araw na nangakit mo kami. Ito na. Ito na.
Tinood yun ba? Tinood trabaho ba?
Sabi na ng iba, talagang mahal mo siya ay hayaan mo. Hayaan mo na